These are fantastic appetizers featuring Italian shrimp with melty Parmesan cheese on pesto-topped homemade crostini with pimentos and lemon zest. In a large bowl, mix 4 large cloves of garlic minced with 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 pounds of raw shrimp. Grate a wedge of Parmesan cheese for 1/2 cup on the shrimp and 1/2 cup for the pesto. Sprinkle the Parmesan cheese on the shrimp laid on a baking sheet and set aside while you make the crostini. Cut a baguette into 1/4 inch slices, place on a second baking sheet, and coat evenly with olive oil on both sides. Bake the crostini and shrimp for approximately 15 minutes in a preheated 400-degree oven. The crostini should be very lightly browned and soft in the center like this. It will firm as it cools. The shrimp should be pink and very lightly browned. For a party, I like to serve them hot with the cheese all melty and hide the baking sheet in the oven. I serve with a mix of 1 bottle of regular shrimp sauce and 1 bottle with extra horseradish. You can also make them a day ahead of time, refrigerate, and serve cold or reheat at 400 degrees for 5 minutes on a baking sheet. It works perfectly. To serve with the pesto on top of the crostini, wash and pat dry very well 1 cup of loosely packed fresh basil leaves, which is 1/2 cup of packed basil leaves. In a food processor, combine the basil with the remaining 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 2 large cloves of garlic until combined. There should be no runny oil, and if so, you can tip the bowl and insert part of a paper towel to absorb it. I top 1/2 of each toasted slice with pesto, 1 Italian shrimp, pimentos, and freshly grated lemon zest. You can top each with a leaf of oregano or the basil, and the trick to make them stick is to dip the end into the olive oil to wet it. For a dinner party, you can serve as individual appetizers. I place each on a large basil leaf with zest and a pimento on the side for a pop of color. Either way, Italian herbed Parmesan shrimp is a big hit, and you gotta make this. And to see all of my videos, don't forget to click subscribe.